In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image in Grok AI. We're going to keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show Grok an image so it can analyze it or use it as context for your conversation. There are only two things you need to do. Open Grok and attach the image you want to use. Along the way, I'll share a few helpful tips to make the process smoother. First, open your web browser and go to Grok's website. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're looking at the chat interface. If you already have Grok open, just switch to the chat where you want to use the image. It's a good idea to check that your internet connection is stable, because large images can take a few extra seconds to upload. If the page looks cramped or elements seem hidden, maximize your browser window or zoom out slightly so the full chat toolbar is visible. Once you're on the chat screen, look for the Attach option. This usually appears as a paperclip or an image icon near the message box. Click it, and your device's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the file, and confirm. On mobile, this will open your photo library or camera roll. If you prefer, many browsers also support dragging and dropping an image directly into the chat area. That works the same as using the Attach button. After you select the image, you should see a small thumbnail or file name appear in the chat input. That's your confirmation that the upload is in progress or ready. If you want Grok to focus on something specific in the picture, like text, a chart, a product label, or a design detail, type a brief note in the message box to provide context. Clear instructions help the model give you a better response. A few quick tips if you run into trouble. Common image formats like JPG, PNG, and sometimes GIF are generally supported. If an upload fails, try converting the file to JPG or PNG. If the file is very large, compressing it can speed up the upload without losing important detail. If you don't see the Attach button, refresh the page, try a different browser tab, or temporarily disable extensions that modify page elements. That's it. Open Grok, click Attach, choose your image, and send. With those two steps, you're ready to let Grok analyze visuals and enhance your conversation with rich context.